today we're going to review what a college catalog is. You probably ask yourself a lot, what is the college catalog? Well, the college catalog provides you with all of the information about the college. Think of it like a user's guide or a guidebook. You can find the college catalogs for NMSU and Doña Ana at catalogs.nmsu.edu. The college catalog holds all of the policies and procedures along with the rules and regulations of the college. It covers everything from admission to graduation. It includes the academic programs and their requirements. It includes all of the courses offered and any prerequisites or co-requisites needed for those courses. When you're on the main college catalog page, you can scroll down and you can find the campus that you're interested in. This example will go to the Doña Ana campus. You just click on the red button and it will open up that corresponding college catalog. When you're on this page, you can see off to the left the year of the catalog and some additional tabs that you can click on. The most important thing here in the college catalog to assist you is in the upper right-hand corner, the search option. You can type in anything that you're interested in finding in that search option. If you're looking for tuition assistance information, you can type in tuition. If you're looking for financial aid information, you could type in financial aid. If you're looking for a particular program, you could type in the name of that program there. As we're looking off to the left with these other tabs, when you click on course descriptions, that will open a new page. This page will have alphabetically all of the courses listed, and you can either scroll down and find the course, or you can click a little button here across the top. Let's say we're interested in finding out about chemistry. So we'll click on the C, we'll go to chemistry, and we'll click on chemistry, and it will open up all of the chemistry courses that are offered. If we're looking at something like Chemistry 1120, it will tell you the name of the course, how many credit hours, it will give you a brief description of the course, and it will tell you about any prerequisites needed for that course. If you click on the little arrow for learning outcomes, you can see everything that you will learn in that course.